How's it going? My name is Jeff and this is Dirt Bike Obsession. And I've got a bunch of things planned, so let's get started. Alright guys, so this is my 2000 Kawasaki KX125. It was a barn find that I have brought back to life. And today we're going to do some carb work on it. I need to rejet it a little bit. I got JD jetting needle and jets installed, but I've got the wrong jets in there, so I've got to switch that out. Alright guys, so I would like to start by saying I am by no means an expert. I am completely new to this. I just started riding probably about a month ago. Lifelong dream, and I figured I'd document what goes on. I like to tinker and work on things, so let's get that carb pulled and see what we've got. We'll start with the fuel line. That's done. I smell like gasoline premix. Loosen all these bottom screws so I can gain access. Being careful not to strip them out. So hopefully I don't screw this up royally, and I can get my car running the way I want, or the bike to run the way I want. I apologize for the awkwardness. This is my first YouTube channel, and this is my first video, so gonna be clumsy. This is not my first time working on motors, so that's good. And I just got gasoline all over my knee. So my goal here, I want to set this up. This bike I want to set up for off-road use. Or well, yeah, off-roading. So this is not a built carb. It's not one of those expensive ones that you get already set up by JD jetting or anything like that. This is just a Kind PWK 38mm carb, and so we are going to be putting in a number 45 jet, pilot jet, I do believe. Once I find it. Like I said, completely unorganized. Alright, so now that I've found my 45 jet, I can remove the old jet and put the right one in. Replacement 42, 45. recommends a 160 main jet. So I am going to try that, mainly because I do not have a 182 main jet that JD Jetting recommends, but I have full FMF exhaust. So I think I'm going to err on that side and go with FMF recommendation. So I changed out the pilot jet here and the main jet there, and now I'm ready to put the bowl back on. And now that that's done, I need to remove my throttle cable, the slider, and adjust my needle. Needle's pretty easy to work on. Let's take that guy out right there. And it'll come right out. Now what we're going to do, we are going to put the needle in the number 3 spot. Which is basically in the middle. So that's where they recommend you start. And then we'll go from there. See if we can get dialed in and get lucky and not have to do any additional adjustments. Alright. Alright, put the carb back in and fire it up and see what we've got. Okay, now that I got the carburetor back in there, it's time to start her up and see what we get. Pull the choke and give her a kick. I think we're good. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you saw, like and subscribe with the button below. Thank you and goodbye.